Welcome back to Quiz Terrain. If you can score at least 30 out of 50 on this science quiz, your knowledge of the world around you is truly impressive. Are you ready? Hit the like button. Let's begin. The force that pulls objects toward the center of the Earth is known as A. Electrostatic force, B. Magnetic force, C. Gravitational force, D. Attractive force. Answer: C. Gravitational force. Which gas supports burning? A. Oxygen, B. Carbon dioxide, C. Hydrogen, D. Ammonia. Answer: A. Oxygen. The movement of the Earth around the Sun is called A. Rotation, B. Revolution, C. Orbit, D. Eclipse. Answer: B. Revolution. Which of the following is a source of vitamin C? A. Rice, B. Orange, C. Beans, D. Fish. Answer: B. Orange. Which of the following animals feeds on both plants and animals? A. Carnivore, B. Herbivore, C. Omnivore, D. Parasite. Answer: C. Omnivore. Which of the following organs removes waste products from the blood? A. Heart, B. Kidney, C. Lung, D. Stomach. Answer: B. Kidney. Which of the following gases is most abundant in the atmosphere? A. Oxygen, B. Nitrogen, C. Carbon dioxide, D. Hydrogen. Answer: B. Nitrogen. Which of the following states of matter has a definite volume but no definite shape? A. Solid, B. Liquid, C. Gas, D. Plasma. Answer: B. Liquid. The ability of an element to combine with other elements is known as A. Ion, B. Electron, C. Atom, D. Valency. Answer: D. Valency. Which method would best separate iron particles from a mixture containing sulfur powder? A. Winnowing, B. Decantation, C. Using a magnet, D. Evaporation. Answer: C. Using a magnet. A boy running during a race stepped on a banana peel and slipped. This happened because A. Friction was reduced, B. The ground was very hard, C. The banana peel was soft. D. The ground contains sand. Answer: A. Friction was reduced. The standard unit used to measure energy is A. Kelvin, B. Joule, C. Watt, D. Meter. Answer: B. Joule. The compound CuCl2 contains how many different types of elements? A. 5, B. 4, C. 3, D. 2. Answer: D. 2. One major difference between living and non-living things is that living things, A. contain protoplasm, B. lack definite shapes, C. consume only liquid food, D. always contain chlorophyll. Answer: A. contain protoplasm. Matter is best described as anything that has A. mass and direction, B. mass only, C. mass and occupies space, D. volume and direction. Answer: C. mass and occupies space. If a force lifts a weight of 40 newtons vertically through 10 meters, the work done is A. 400 joules, B. 50 joules, C. 30 joules, D. 4 joules. Answer: A. 400 joules. Which of the following substances is not released from the body through the skin? A. Saliva, B. Sweat, C. Urea, D. Salt. Answer: A. Saliva. Which of the following plants grows from a rhizome? A. Potato, B. Ginger, C. Onion, D. Cocoyam. Answer: B. Ginger. An element consists of A. atoms and compounds, B. identical atoms only, C. atoms and mixtures, D. molecules and compounds. Answer: B. identical atoms only. Which of the following is not a feature common to all living organisms? A. Transpiration, B. Growth, C. Reproduction, D. Feeding. Answer: A. Transpiration. Which of the following is an example of a mixture? A. Sodium chloride, B. Sulfur dioxide, C. Sugar dissolved in water, D. Carbon dioxide. Answer: C. Sugar dissolved in water. Cooking pots often have wooden handles because wood, A, conducts heat well, B, does not conduct heat well, C, radiates heat easily, D, is a poor radiator of heat. Answer: B, does not conduct heat well. When the outer covering of a soaked bean seed is removed, the main structures seen are the A. micropiles, B. hilum, C. cotyledons, D. embryo. Answer: C. cotyledons. The process of forming solid crystals from a hot, saturated solution when it cools is called A. condensation, B. evaporation, C. crystallization, D. distillation. Answer: C. crystallization. Which of the following illnesses is caused by a fungus? A. typhoid, B. leprosy, C. ringworm, D. measles. Answer: C. ringworm. Passing urine into rivers may lead to the spread of diseases, such as A. cholera, B. bilharzia, C. malaria, D. measles. Answer: B. bilharzia. Which instrument is used to measure atmospheric pressure? A. anemometer, B. thermometer, C. galvanometer, D. barometer. Answer: D. barometer. Which of the following is not classified as matter? A. ice block, B. air, C. light, D. smoke. Answer: C. light. Eating poorly cooked meat may cause A. tapeworm infection, B. guinea worm disease, C. smallpox, D. leprosy. Answer: A. tapeworm infection. Which group of food nutrients breaks down into amino acids during digestion? A. carbohydrates, B. vitamins, C. mineral salts, D. proteins. Answer: D. proteins. Which of the following organs in humans is responsible for pumping blood? A. lung, B. kidney, C. heart, D. liver. Answer: C. heart. The boiling point of pure water at normal atmospheric pressure is A. 0 degrees Celsius, B. 50 degrees Celsius, C. 100 degrees Celsius, D. 150 degrees Celsius. Answer: C. 100 degrees Celsius. Plants manufacture their food through the process known as A. Respiration, B. Germination, C. Photosynthesis, D. Transpiration. Answer: C. Photosynthesis. Which of the following animals is a reptile? A. Frog, B. Lizard, C. Whale, D. Bat. Answer: B. Lizard. Which of the following instruments is used to measure temperature? A. Barometer, B. Thermometer, C. Ammeter, D. Hygrometer. Answer: B. Thermometer. The process by which plants lose water through their leaves is called A. Respiration, B. Transpiration, C. Photosynthesis, D. Absorption. Answer: B. Transpiration. Which of the following food nutrients provides the body with energy? A. Vitamins, B. Carbohydrates, C. Mineral salts, D. Water. Answer: B. Carbohydrates. The part of the plant that absorbs water and minerals from the soil is the A. Stem, B. Leaf, C. Root, D. Flower. Answer: C. Root. Which of the following is an example of a vertebrate? A. Earthworm, B. Snail, C. Fish, D. Cockroach. Answer: C. Fish. The force that slows down moving objects when they rub against surfaces is called A. Gravity, B. Friction, C. Tension, D. Pressure. Answer: B. Friction. Which of the following diseases is transmitted by mosquitoes? A. Cholera, B. Malaria, C. Tuberculosis, D. Typhoid. Answer: B. Malaria. Which of the following is not a renewable source of energy? A. Solar energy, B. Wind energy, C. Water energy, D. Coal. Answer: D. Coal. The human skeleton mainly functions to A. Digest food, B. Pump blood, C. Support the body, D. Produce hormones. Answer: C. Support the body. Which of the following is a good conductor of electricity? A. Plastic. B. Rubber. C. Copper. D. Wood. Answer: C. Copper. The organ used for breathing in fish is the A. Lungs. B. Gills. C. Skin. D. Spiracles. Answer: B. Gills. Which of the following materials is attracted by a magnet? A. Aluminium. B. Plastic. C. Iron. D. Wood. Answer: C. Iron. Which of the following is the largest planet in the solar system? A. Earth. B. Mars. C. Jupiter. D. Venus. Answer: C. Jupiter. A device used for measuring electric current is called A. Voltmeter. B. Ammeter. C. Galvanometer. D. Thermometer. Answer: B. Ammeter. The green coloring matter found in plants is known as A. Chlorophyll. B. Cytoplasm. C. Xylem. D. Phloem. Answer: A. Chlorophyll. Which of the following processes changes water vapor into liquid water? A. Evaporation. B. Condensation. C. Freezing. D. Sublimation. Answer: B. Condensation. Pick your next challenge. Share your score in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more exciting quiz adventures. Thanks for watching. See you in the next quiz.